Program in Python. In this video, we will learn how to write simple program of Python to print the classic hello world. So here is the hello world program. Using the print function to print the text hello world. Output will be this. Here we use print function and built-in Python function to display output to the user. The phrase hello world is a string literal text enclosed in double quotes that we want to show on the screen. The print function takes this string as an argument and outputs it. Things to remember while working with Python. When writing Python programs, keep the following things in mind. First one is indentation. Python uses indentation to define code blocks. Unlike many other programming languages that rely on braces or specific keywords, Python depends on the proper indentation using spaces or tabs for the code to work correctly. This not only enforces structure but also enhances code readability. Second is dynamic typing. Python is a dynamically typed language, which means you don't need to declare variable types explicitly. For example, x is equal to 10 makes x as an integer, but you can later assign x to hello. That makes it as a string. The variable type is determined at runtime. Third is virtual environments. Python supports the use of virtual environments, which allow you to isolate dependency for individual projects. This helps avoid package conflicts and ensures each project runs with its specific required library versions. Fourth one is extensive library support. Python provides a vast collection of built-in libraries such as math, itertools, datetime collections, and function tools. These libraries streamline development by offering ready-to-use tools, saving the time and effort. Fifth one is PEP 8 Style Guide. PEP 8 is the Python official style guide. It encourages best practices like using meaningful variable names, maintaining consistent indentation, applying proper spacing, and limiting the length of 79 characters. Following these guidelines improves both readability and maintainability of your code. Now let us see some more examples. Example 1. Print your name. Here we have defined a variable as name and initialized it with a value Yana. We have then used print function to display the name for the users. The output will be name Yana. Example 2. Addition of two numbers. Let's write a simple program to add two numbers in Python. First we will initialize variables, adding the variables and storing their result. Now printing the result. So this is the output. Here we have defined two variables as num1 and num2 and initialized them with values 5 and 10 respectively. We have then performed addition of these two variables and stored their result in the third variable called sum. Finally, we have used the print function to display the output to the user.